One look outside reminds me of life. Young flowers are blooming, I count 5. Empty streets, curtains closed. Our freedom is in pain that hurts the most. Between these walls, I can relate to a beastly tiger in a cage. Some escapists don't seem to know that our freedom is in pain that hurts the most. Money's the highest guard, cure in freedom. We can disregard that people are dying, 'cause we can't be apart. Lovers, friends, families fear. 7 billion people share our tears. This is for the ones who'll never learn. The freedom you lose now, it will return. I hope you see holds the key. Cure in freedom. Believe me, it is hard when money is the highest guide.